So how can you clip videos on an iPhone for the TikTok? Now, more things or more angles you can take it, but if you open up the TikTok app and click on the plus button at the bottom, you can click on your gallery and import a couple of videos from your gallery, right? So you can, for example, import two clips, and they are going to be right here together on your timeline, and you can perform some different things, right? You can sync it with a sound, or you can edit it right here, and it might be good enough, right? You might perform some different changes, depends, right? This is kind of a simple thing to do, but yeah, you can basically get it to work even through the TikTok user interface. You can edit the individual clips, shorten it down, or perform some changes to it. So if you want to do that, I guess even the TikTok user interface is going to be good enough. However, if you want to be professional and edit your videos in a better way, I recommend you to get a video editor. I like to use CapCut, which, by the way, is actually made by the TikTok developers, so it's going to integrate well. And in there, you can start a new project. Again, import your clips right here. And right now you have so many other effects and changes you can perform right here. So you can add transitions, you can cut, split the footage, you can reorganize it, adjust the volume, effects, speed, overlay, so many options, right? It would take me really long to cover everything, but I have some videos on the channel where I talk about it, so you can go ahead and explore those. Anyways, once you are done, what you basically need to do is just to ensure that the aspect ratio is set to TikTok right there. So it's the 9:16. So you export the proper video and you can basically click on export and your video will be finished. So this is like a very quick way of showing me to you how you can do this. But if you want something a little bit in depth, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button. Let me know about that below. It's possible I'll make a video about that as well. I cover a lot of things on this channel, so stay tuned and I'll catch you later.